How to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. So let's get started. So firstly you have to log in into your account, and from here go into your account that is in the top right corner and click on the my account. Now from here go in the my vouchers. Now as you can see that here I have 3 vouchers which I can use. So if you are facing a problem where you can't able to redeem the vouchers in your purchases because you doesn't apply the terms and conditions, so here you can make sure that you read the terms and condition before using the voucher. So how you can read that, you have to click on this T and C, that is stand for terms and conditions. From here you have to scroll down and read in the more details. So once you read it, you just have to click on the use, and once you click on it, here you can able to use this voucher. So that's how you can fix the promotion cannot be redeemed in the Shopee. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.